there is a line and a half to get in this hole. We've been here for about 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna check engine lights back on. I don't know why. Oh, 2 cents, I think. But we here. We gotta get a little bit of people here. It's only about 12 o'clock. So try to get to the back and find a spot to park. I don't think I'm gonna drive back there, Keegan. I don't know. But I'm trying to get a lot of content this time. Make a good little video. I didn't get too much content last time, so we had some bad quality shit. But I'm gonna try to get some good content. We're gonna see. We're not gonna get too drunk.
We have MudBugz.
Yes. You breaking some shit today?
Breaking? We ain't breaking. We destroying.
We out here. The pond's looking nice. We got a truck already.
He's about to drive this bitch into that hole and blow it up.
Nah, dog.
We gonna blow it up. Block balls?
You gotta pay me. You gotta pay me to do it. I'll do it if you pay me.
Hey, we in block balls. We got money.
You right. Block balls.
Hey, we got an absolute unit right here.
That's a unit.
That's a motherfucking unit.
That's a unit.
Look, we got everybody pulling up. We got the faggots on the bike.
I'm gonna give me a Pioneer, a little 1000, but the two-seater, them little things clean. Look, my welder.
We got Billy Joe.
My welder, Billy Bob.
T-Bob.
Billy Bob.
Hey, look, we got dumbass.
Retard.
Side by side.
38s, 37s. Look at this dude.
40s on the. We want to get in. That boy hit a deer.
What else he hit?
Somebody hit him. Hit some motorcycle.
He's about it. Jason.
Let me tell you something. We had MudBugz. What's the date today?
The 12th.
February 12th, 2022. We got this dude, he got a brand new bike. Nice inverted. You don't want to hit shit. But we out here, I heard they sunk my bike. That fucking dumbass over there. I don't know, we just gonna fuck shit up. Eat ass.
Oh yeah. Gage's bike don't want to start because it keeps dying. We out here in the woods. Hopefully we don't die. Hey Gage!
Fucking great, Bubba!
The leg.
Not the leg. What's up? Is that black bike going on? Oh shit! Stop! I'm gonna fail. Put it in neutral. Going forward. I'm not holding up with it. It's in neutral now, so don't like max it out, Cass. No, stop. Put it in back in neutral. Cass, I'm gonna fucking pull up. One more up, nigga. Right out, leave it right there. I'm trying to fucking record right here and y'all fucking around.
Big Joe Smoker.
Should I do a backflip?
Go ahead, dog.
I ain't doing a backflip.
Hey, look, how about this? Push you down. And you
My joke
fall.
going out, so hold on.
Hurry up. Finish it.
Yeah, smoke juke, son.
He said, okay.
Hey, look, put it in your mouth.
What's up, buddy? What's up?
We have MudBugz! Yeah!
Hey, how you made it out here, dog?
Hey, just took a little bit of convincing.
Oh, that's a slog.
It's, you know.
That's a slog. I love this little.
Yeah, bro.
Look at him. at him stealing my fucking beer.
Yeah.
Look at that dude. Look. He got all these boys to pull him out.
Get over there.
Shaking my damn head. Drake! Drake! Look at these clowns. Bumfuck Egypt.
Let up 5 in the cut.
Oh, Papa Drew pulling out some little slimes on a big 38.
Boys in the YouTube, motherfucker!
Where we at, son?
I don't know where the fuck I'm at. You think I give a fuck?
Where's your bike, man?
My bike's over there. Hey, push it in the far. Give a fuck.
Fuck y'all.
Insurance!
Hey, you called your insurance? You got full coverage, huh?
No.
I got full coverage
Give a
on my
fuck
truck.
what I
I'm about
got.
to take that bitch in there.
Hey, look this. Eddie Jr. What you doing?
Not the leg! Not the leg! Crip, you need a seat, bro.
That'll be in the YouTube.
I love my boy Eddie. I miss Eddie. He should have
I
come.
love Eddie. I'd suck his fucking peg leg if I could. There you go. Shut up!
I shoot the most deer, my bad. I don't know what to say. How many deer you shot this year, Jonah? Shut the fuck up, nobody cares!
You thought we gave a fuck?
Cause we don't! Show us the fucking picture. So I can call that fucking girl from fucking Bulldog and she can absolutely shit on you!
Get shit on, bitch! Jonah, it's over.
Subscribe to Gordo Cast Productions. This is an end of our video. Subscribe to Gordo Cast. Oh! My name man, I'm at the beach. Dinosaur. If you like the content we post on Gordo Cast Productions, like and subscribe. You know, help us out. We're needy. Hey, just help the crew out.
Slime. Ain't got no fucking gas in it.
Hey!
Second of all, that motherfucker ain't got no gas.
This one has some gas. It has some gas. It's just alright.
Where? There? But what the fuck?
Oh shit.
Hey, what you don't do? What? I don't give a fuck. Hey, go! Fuck! It ain't moving. There we go,
Little MudBugz aftermath. Pretty dirty. Did take my truck to the back and do a couple donuts. Inside's not too bad. Little mud came through the window. Bike, not too bad. I'll wash that shit later. Only broke one thing. Just so happened to be my radiator. Got a crack in it and it's leaking. I just had it idling, and as you can see, there's a good steady flow. So I guess I'll be ordering a new radiator. They're on like 150, 170 bucks. But that's a good steady flow. I'm not too sure. I know it's coming from right here in one spot. It might be coming from that spot, so might as well just replace the whole thing. Get a partially upgraded one if they make them. I'm do a little research, but ball joint that got welded perfectly fine. There's coolant everywhere from last night. Tie rod sleeves and tie rods did what they were supposed to do. Hopefully they'll have another MudBugz within the next couple months, and we'll hopefully go out there, have some more fun, do it again. It's just nice because it's close. It's literally like 20 minutes from my house. Y'all let me know if y'all like these videos. I might try to go to more mud park shit if I get a different bike or something. I don't know. The old 300 is nice, but it's not really a mud bike. It's just all stock. So y'all let me know. Why you in my fucking house?
This close to Kachow Mud.
I wasn't even home about 10 minutes ago. It's a pretty sunset though.
Yeah. Great day to smoke your tent out.
Let's see. That's not supposed to be like that.
Is that good?
It's like good. I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no nut on it. Anyways, so ooh, that happened.
Ain't nothing cool.
Some grease. He might get lucky. Yeah, if I don't have one, you fuck. Just warning you. But I'm pretty sure this is one. How much you want to bet?
Free because I'm still on warranty.
You ain't on warranty no more, slime.
I got a year's warranty, you know, bitch.
God damn. What a fucking slime.
What a fucking slime.
I just gotta go get a socket.
I got you. You fucking cameraman. Fuck, what is that called? Fast timing, running to the truck. Wow. Whew. Y'all will see this video in the same video as the MudBugz video, I'm guessing, or somewhere around that time. Probably so. Y'all understand why this looks like this? Beautiful sunset.
Where you was going?
Huh?
So where you was going?
Get my fucking belt at my house.
You on assignments?
Yeah. Oh, Mickey, sponsor us. Nice tent, Alex. What the fuck?
Got a new nut on there for the little slime.
That's good.
Your warranty was up, so that'll be $60.
Fuck off. I got a year's warranty.
It's $60 an hour.
I can't even pay for 10. How the fuck you think I'm gonna pay you?
Well, we can tell you can't pay for 10.
Exactly.